What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Rob Ace, and this week I will be making another Stencil jacket, but this time in a different style. I'm gonna try a little bit of spray paint today, see how it goes. If you like this video, thumbs up, and if you love this video, go ahead and tap that subscribe. So to start off this project, I drew up a Stencil picture and projected it on a large sheet of paper. Once I did that, I used a marker and traced it out. So after you get the design down, you have to cut out the stencil. So make sure that you leave spaces in between the lines so that your stencil does not fall apart. I used an X-Acto knife to get those clean and crisp lines in this photo. I made two separate stencils, one for the lightning and one for the design itself. Now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna take our stencil, slap it on the jacket, and tape it off so we don't get any underspray. I would use just regular Rust-Oleum paint. The paint that I used in this video was not good for fabrics. So please don't do what I did. Use Rust-Oleum, it works, and it's cheap. Take a spray paint can, lightly spritz over it, and it should come out like something like this. Now you could leave it this way, but it wasn't enough sauce for me, so I had to add a little bit more detail. So since the spray paint didn't pop like I needed it to, I used my paintbrush to outline the figure and painted that lightning a nice electric blue to add that extra sauce to this painting, you know? As we fast forward a little bit, you see I painted the background black while adding that extra pop of color with the oranges and the yellows. And I am loving how it's coming out so far. So let's get to this final reveal. So this final product is exactly where I needed it to be. I had to take a few extra steps to get there, but it came out the way I wanted it to. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this process, enjoyed this video. If you like it, hit that thumbs up button. If you love it, go ahead and lightly tap that subscribe button. And as always, I hope to see you again soon.